Wait, okay. Hey, my legion, how we all? How y'all? How y'all doing today? I got veggie straws I got from Heartland Nature, and these were from Dollar Tree, not Dollar Tree, Dollar General. And they're supposed to be healthy, and they're made by Dollar General Corporation. I'm going to try some with my sister, who's off camera, and let's try them out.
Alice wants to try one too.
You want to try one, Alice? You want to give one, Alice?
You gotta tell her nice though.
Okay.
No, you can give her one.
Okay, Alice, you want to come up and?
I don't know if she will.
Oh, Alice, thank
Just
you.
tell her nice.
Nice.
Try to bite out of your hand.
Nice. Okay. Wait, I can't film it. Let me see. Get film Alice.
Don't worry about it.
Okay, well, let's film it. There, she had one. How many stars, Alice? Here's some for Dodo.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah, I've always liked them.
Try. There's 3 flavors. There's like the regular green and orange for a carrot. And these are hollow like straws. The other one was just like French fries, kind of. They're really good.
I don't think so.
No. What do you think, Joey? Really good?
Mm-hmm.
No, these are good. I like these. I give these a 8 out of 10 for Heartland. Heartland Nature veggie straws. So until next time, bye, please. Okay, my leader. Want some more? There you go. There's like what, celery, carrots.
There's no sugar in it.
No sugar.